have no idea why I'm shocked to see Halloween every year. I mean, I know it's coming and coming early, but I think this year is even worse because it feels like we really didn't have a summer. But welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa, and today I'm going to take you along on my Costco trip. I really stopped over there just to get a few staples that we pick up every week, but of course I have to look through everything. And Costco had a ton of fall items starting to come out. I really liked these flannels. I'm kind of tempted, but I know they'll go on sale. Same for this sweater. It seems like it would be super cute with a pair of leggings, just really soft. Love these long cardigans, such pretty colors too. Again, just gonna wait for a sale because I know it'll happen. Look at this beautiful stock pot, and that is such a good price too. And this grill pan is very interesting to me. Seems like it would be helpful. They also had a lot of good back to school stuff, like these water bottles for super cheap, as well as this water bottle thermos set that was also for a really good price. It was on sale even. I want to buy these LED candles every year. It's just such a good price. Maybe I'll get them this year. I mentioned these microfiber towels in the cleaning video that I recently did. I'll have it linked down below. They are amazing. Halloween costumes for a really good price, $26. They had a lot of Disney princesses. They also had some superheroes and firefighters and various things, just a lot of options. I think I've mentioned these before, but these Puma sports bras are my favorite, and they had them on sale for $9.97. And I've also heard that these mats are pretty good for sleeping on to kind of replace inflatable beds, and $40. I also thought $30 was a super good price for that orchid. I had never seen these marinated chickens before, but they looked really good, and I felt like you could throw them in the Instant Pot for a quick meal. Costco has the best price on almond flour anywhere. It's a super big bag, $11.89. I buy this there frequently. Now I am all done shopping and heading home to show you what I got.
Costco was so busy today, so it was kind of hard for me to film, and I really only went in there to get a few basics, which is what I have behind me. So previous to coronavirus, my husband and I used to go to Costco, or I did, once a week because there were some staple items that we picked up from there. So we're kind of getting back to that as things are, I guess, easing up a little bit. So I just have a very small haul, just the staples I pick up from Costco every week. So let's take a look.
All right, so I've got some organic Greek yogurts, and we were almost completely out of these. I like these little Kirkland dishwasher packs. I like the Kirkland brand in general. It's always really good. I've read about the Kirkland brand, and apparently they do like a lot of research when they're making their products so that they're as high end as possible. And then I've got some organic eggs, some organic white mushrooms. I also picked up some of this basil pesto. I really like to have this around. It's kind of become a staple in the house because it's so easy to throw on top of chicken, throw on top of salmon, pasta, whatever. It's just really good. If you've watched my other Costco hauls, you've already seen this. Organic oatmeal. I picked up some blackberries and these Parmesan folio wraps. Again, really good and pretty versatile. And I've got some spring mix for salads, some organic baby spinach, some organic ground turkey. I picked this up, I don't know. We have it around pretty often. I do have a video on my channel where I show how I make a turkey meatloaf, and it was also in a Costco haul video. I will have that link down below. But the meatloaf was so delicious, and it came out not dry. And you know, turkey tends to be dry. So I will link it down below in case you were curious about that. And I picked these up, sprouted pumpkin seeds. They were starting to have some fall items, which is so crazy. When I walked in and saw Halloween, I was like, what? It's just August 2nd. But that's the way it goes usually. A bag of avocados, and another house staple. We eat salmon probably about once a week. Wild Alaskan sockeye salmon. I recently did a video on my channel showing how I make salmon foil packets, so I will leave that down below. Such an easy, healthy dinner. Seriously, only takes 30 minutes, and cleanup is nothing because everything's in the foil packet. So I will have that link down below. Picked up some of these organic dates because I would like to make some banana bread today. We have bananas that are just overly ripe, and I thought it would be a good idea. So I may film it. It's super healthy banana bread using these dates as a sweetener. I picked some of these up for my husband, some golf gloves, and then I did grab this for my daughter. I've been looking at this every time I go in there, but it's just a little preschool activity book, and I thought it was pretty cute. And we've been working on preschool activities at home. We do like a couple pages in various activity books and some reading. I ended up going back to Costco like 2 days later to get this shelf liner paper. It's just such a good deal. I was at Target. I ended up buying some at Target that was just way more expensive. This was $15, and it is 2 rolls of 15 feet by 18 inches. And we are remodeling our guest bathroom right now, and our vanity just went in, and so I wanted to line the shelves. And then I was there, so I ended up picking up some of this organic sourdough bread. I bought it a couple hauls ago, and we really liked it. We ended up freezing a loaf, and it worked out perfectly. But when I was there on Sunday, they were out. But today they had it. And then I picked up also 2 bags of these made good granola minis. My daughter and my husband too, actually, they both really like this. But my daughter is going back to preschool next week. She's going for 2 days a week, just for a couple hours. And these are perfect for schools because they don't have any nuts or gluten or anything like that. So I grabbed 2 bags of those. And then I ended up coming out with this. So I still managed to spend a lot of money, even though I only went in there for one thing. I have been looking for forever for something to go right there that had a little bit of height and even just a little bit of color, because the room is pretty monochromatic, as you can see.
So I wanted something that had just a little bit of color, and I think that green helps, and I like it. I might put just like a small frame right there with another picture and call it good because I don't want it to look cluttered. But I think it works. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you like Costco hauls, grocery hauls, healthy cooking videos, please subscribe. I would love to have you. That's pretty much what I do on my channel. However, I'm going to be throwing in some lifestyle things. My husband and I are remodeling our guest bathroom, and I am currently filming a video about that, so that will be up soon. I try to post 2 videos a week. My schedule has been about Wednesday and Saturday. So yeah, I would love to have you subscribe and leave a comment or a question, a video request, anything like that. I'm always happy to reply, and I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.